Are you looking for a website to create a memorable online presence for your upcoming events or conferences? Or a corporate, webinar, online conference, dark mode website for your business? Introducing TNC Conf, the best Webflow event conference template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com. Here, you need to search TNC Conf. Take a look at our TNC Conf template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Conf. TNC Conf is an event template that can be used for organizing any kind of event or conference. It contains all the necessary sections required for a conference or event. This template has a sleek, modern design that exudes professionalism. You will get powerful CMS functionality in this template. It also includes best optimizing sections like Hero section, Speakers section, Schedule section, Pricing section, and more. Display images and text elegantly on every device with our touch-friendly slider. This makes it perfect for event-focused websites. This template provides you with two different modes, dark and light mode, which can make your visitors interested. Let's explore our light mode. Light mode has the same functionality as dark mode. Present your event services with a clean interface that leaves a lasting impression on your visitors. Apart from this, here you will find our contact page. Our perfectly designed contact page has clear contact information, which is easy for your visitors. You can also generate your main lead and customer base with our beautiful forms. Now, let's see how to use TNC Conf. This is our template TNC Conf. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable options. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Then you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. Here, I replaced this name from About with Home. You can also change the link type or URL. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero title heading. Here, I just select the text, and replaced it with, "Hello, welcome to Theme Encode LLC." Then, you can also change this hero paragraph in the same way. After that, you can easily replace this VIP card image. You can also edit this hero card. Let's customize this button. Here I change the button name from Get Ticket to Click Here. You can also change the button link type, open type, or URL. You can change this address text in the same way I showed before. After that, you will find the video section here. You can easily change this video by clicking on Replace Video option. You also get the option of loop video, autoplay video, and play, pause button. Then, here you will find the speaker section. You can change the speaker name, description, and image in the same manner. Here you will see news section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change or edit the blog or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video, or I can attach the link in the description box. So, you can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy to use. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow event template, get TNC Conf. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.